If you want to build an e-commerce environment directly inside your chatbot, then this is really easy to do because our platform has a native e-commerce module. If we go all the way to the top left corner of the left-hand menu, you will see an e-commerce setting. If we press this, we will be able to set up our products. We will be able to add collections. Collections will be a collection of products that you can offer at a certain percentage discount. You can also implement discounts, so you can create coupons. You will also be able to see shopping carts, get an order overview, and manage all the individual orders. And you'll be able to go towards your settings where you can set up all your store details. In the next few videos, we will go over each individual section, so you will have a clear understanding of how this e-commerce module works.